Okay, welcome to 2026. This is Smart Depot Tech's first video of 2026, and you'll be wondering, why did it take us this long? Okay, we have been testing out tablets and laptops for kids, especially in this back to school season. Our back to school started 5th of January 2026, and I've tested out a lot, like this one. This is a 10-inch kids tablet with a full strong protective case, and it's for $60. I mean, if this thing turns on, I'm going to put a link in the description for you to check it out. But right now, let's unbox this and see how it goes. The first thing you notice is that this tablet is well packed, and it seems also to be loaded with other packages, a case and a belt, and we haven't even opened the inside. Oh, and there's also an S Pen. Oh, sorry, a pen. S Pen belongs to Samsung. What am I saying? BDF technology. Well, let's see what's inside. There seems to be another package inside, and what's inside? Well, SIM ejector tool, the charger, OTG adapter, and a USB-A to USB-C. Nice. And we're not done with the packages. There is extra protective film inside it. Wow, that's looking nice. Now let's power it on and let's get to see what's inside this system. The screen looks good and bright. The app's actually opening, but we've not loaded anything yet, so let's just see. What impressed me the most is the quality of the case of this tablet. I mean, it's for kids, but the quality of this is quite strong, very, very, good. I mean, it can be sold to $10 to $20 separately. There is also a pen that you can use to, give children to write, when they want to write, and that is impressive. So this and this casing and the build of that casing with extra belt, if you want to carry it with a belt, is quite impressive. It gets even better because this tablet was pre-installed with Netflix, and I had to go check the Google Play Store to see that the device is certified by Google. Okay, so I had to also pay for a premium subscription of Netflix to test it out, and believe me, it worked. It worked, and these are the results. I played out several videos from Netflix, and these are the results. So you can do all your Netflix, Amazon Prime, DSTV stream. So the sound is not too busy. It's not so loud, but it is loud enough for what you can listen to. Let's not even talk about the camera because the poor thing, there's nothing to talk about here. The quality is poor. Single camera at the back with that gimmicky kind of iPhone and one selfie camera in the front. So there was an OTA update. Don't worry, this is the first and the last OTA update it will ever get. So if OEM update is your thing, this tablet might not be for you. So I started noticing weird things after the system updates. If I go to setting and I tap system update again after I updated, the system setting updates will crash and there's nothing you can do. And that brings me to some weird things, or what I would call the downside. Now, this tablet is made by BDF technology, but when I signed into the Google account, it recognized it as Journey P61, which tells a lot of story by itself. too much of nitpicking for a 10-inch Android tablet that is currently $56. The link will be in the description if you want to get it. And believe me, I recommend this for the children if you are not going to be so much, pissed off by the downside. It has a lot of good side. And apart from that, it is Google certified. You could download any app, and surprisingly, it plays most of the games. So let me show you some of the games I ran, just kind of mid, average games that it played it very well. I mean, I was impressed. So you can go to the description right now and you can click on the link to get yours for about $56. So do make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So if you are interested in getting something for your kids to learn, have fun, or learn coding or something, I think this tablet can go a long way to do that. Okay, so until I see you in the next one, it is peace and love. Subscribe. I'll see you.